Hi guys, welcome back. So this video is going to be about the chain sprocket. As you already saw in the intro, this is the Rolon chain sprocket for the Benelli TNT 300, and it's a brass plated chain sprocket. So I'm about to uh, replace my existing company chain sprocket with this Rolon chain sprocket. So the reason is like the front sprocket which you see is gone bad. So while you're replacing the chain sprocket, it's always better to replace the complete set, as the part which has been weared out would have damaged the other parts, like the chain would have got expanded during the process. When you replace the damaged part, it might not be efficient as much. So I decided to go with this OEM Rolon chain sprocket, since, as you know, with Benelli the parts are not always available and you need to wait for them to arrive, and at least they would take months, I guess. So I decided to go with the Rolon OEM, and with this sprocket I'm going with the brass plated. There is another normal sprocket which is non-brass plated that would cost a bit lesser than this brass plated sprockets and brass plated chains. Otherwise the specification is all the same. So price wise, the regular non-brass plated one would cost you around 5,000 plus, and this sprocket costed me 7,030 rupees, just because it's the brass plated one. So this is my Benelli TNT 300. So you could see here how much slack is there in the chain because of the damaged front sprocket. So I have to get this changed. Right, you could see the old sprocket is removed. We'll be installing this new sprocket. So this is how the Rolon brass plated chain and sprocket looks. So guys, you can see this is the front sprocket. This is a damaged front sprocket. So you could see here it's been bent. You see the wear, it's bent. So because of this, the chain slack was too much. Now we are replacing it with the Rolon sprocket. Let's see how the performance is after the replacement. Okay, the bike is ready. You could see this sprocket has been installed. Black and gold. Let's ride and see how it feels now, if it is better than the previous one.
But tight ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Tight ಇದೆ. Okay. Just take it for a spin and come. Much better now. It's a bit smooth. ಇವಾಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಮೂತ್ ಇದೆ. ಶಿಫ್ಟಿಂಗು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಮೂತ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಗೇರ್. ಮುಂಚೆ ಗೇರ್ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಇರೋದು. Okay, seems like I have to take it for a long run and see how it does now. So let's see how much it take to replace it. So once I get the bill, I will upload it here, so you guys have an idea about what's the labor cost, right? And catch up.